It's a 2020 Toyota Corolla. Get an all-access pass to life in a car that doesn't just get you there, it gets you. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: smart device navigation, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. The Car Connection notes the front seats are comfortable and Toyota has lengthened their cushions. Despite that, the Corolla will seat 4 6-footers without front seat occupants having to slide their seats far forward. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Giant Carson Toyota, just off I-405 at the Wilmington exit in Carson, California. Take us for a ride.